You can say I lost my faith in science and progress. You can say I lost my belief in religion. You can say I lost my sense of direction. You can say all of this and worse, but if I ever lose my faith in you, there may nothing left for me to do. Someone say I was lost and in a lost world. You can say I lost my faith in the people on TV. You can say I lost my belief in the politicians. You can you think so close to me, but if I ever lose my faith in you, lose my faith in you, there may nothing left for me to do. Ever lose my faith in you. This is for our Sons of Liberty True North Original family out there. I could get lost inside this life without a chance. But every time I close my eyes, I see your face. I love this song. This is Disturbed If I Ever Lose Faith in You, because I can never lose faith in our Sons of Liberty True North Original family. Oh no, miracle of science, and no, a blessing to a curse. No resolution to the end of words. But if I ever lose my faith in you, if I ever lose my faith in you, if I ever lose my faith in you, may nothing left for me to do. Nothing left for me to do. If I ever lose my faith, if I ever lose my faith, if I ever lose my faith, ever lose my faith in you. As are our Sons of Liberty True North Original family community, because yes indeed, you keep me alive. And if I lose faith in our Sons of Liberty True North Original family, well, there ain't nothing left I can do. This is how I open up my beautiful mind. Thank you, brothers and sisters, from everybody's favorite outlaw. Love you till the end of time.